Hello everyone, this is going to be the Song 2 flag work. So this is the first half of Song 2. That's as far as we got. This is right before the big hold, okay? So we're about the halfway point in the song, okay? So we ended Song 1 in this position. Some people facing the front, the side, the back, right? So everyone's facing a different direction. So just be mindful of that, because the direction we're going to be going in, there we go, is going to be backfield for the very beginning of Song 2. So, for instance, if you're already facing the back, if you're in that front line and you're facing the back already, then you're good. Anyone that's facing the front, you just have to turn. Okay? No big deal, okay? Just a turn. So I'm just going to be this way for now. That's the backfield. You're the audience, that's the backfield. So, first two counts are 1, 2. That's it. Just shoulder head. Right hand is under, left hand is over. So let's say I'm facing the front. I'll say I'm in the back line facing the front. I would just go 1, 2. That's it. So over the left shoulder, just get to the back in 1, 2. People that are here, you're going to do this weird thing where you turn over your left shoulder. Turn. So when you turn, my angle didn't change on my flag, but I just put it up, the flag, a little bit, the pole. Okay, we went over that today. So that's just for Emma, Julie, and Gia. So you get here in 2 counts. Okay? Now, we're facing backfield. Sabers, just learn this set so you have it. Actually, you only need to know like the first 8, but the rest of the sabers, just learn this just so you have it. There's 1, 2, drop spin. 3, 4, 5, 6, let go with the right hand. 7, regrab 8. We do this in Song 1, so there shouldn't be an issue, right? Then we're going to flourish to the front. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, finger roll, so between my middle and index, 14, 15, 16. I'll turn around so you can see it. So I'm to the back. 1, 2, up 3, 4, 5, 6, let go with the right hand. 7, 8. Going over my right shoulder. To the front now. Up 9. That's all I did. My thumb is up on the pole. Thumb is down. I turn to the front. Go straight down. That's all I did. Now I'm in a fan position. 10, 11, 12, 13. My fingers are ready for a finger roll. 14, 15, 16. At the shoulder hip again. Left hand over hand under. Now remember, the counts for this song are much slower, so don't rush any of this, okay? Listen to the YouTube video so you can actually get the tempo, okay? It's much slower than Song 1. So take those counts. Okay, so we're back now. We're facing the front. Okay, so we started drop spins are to the back, then you turn and face the front. So now I'm facing the front, okay? That was 116. Okay, then we're going to go hop 2. Bring the pole up. 3, 4. So both my thumbs are down. My left elbow is out. 4. Let go with the right. Bring it down and up. Re-grab it. So it looks like this. So all together it looks like this. Hop 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again, I'm facing the audience now. Hop, hop, 2, 3, 4. Thumbs are down. 5, 6. This thumb is all messed up now because it was twisted. Thumb is up, thumbs up. Then you tuck it. 7, 8. So you're more there on 7 than 8. It's kind of like 7 and a half and 8. So it's like 7, half, 8. Okay? That's what it looks like. Angle, okay? Then you're going to bring it around your body. 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll break that down, don't worry. I just want to show you what it looks like. I'm just rotating it around my belly button. It's really easy. So you're here on 8. So I'm at an angle. I just bring it around. I didn't change my hand. I didn't change anything. I didn't change anything. I didn't change anything. Now it's straight. My body is to the front, but this is to the side. I'm going to grab it it with my elbow pointing out, and bring it back. So my thumb is on top. So again, bring it, bring it, bring it. When it's to the side, I grab it so the pole is facing the front. Grab it again when it's facing the front. 9, grab 10, grab 11, pull 12. It's perfectly flat. Then we go 13, 14, wrist break, 15, 16, grab it under. So your palm is up when you grab it, like this. You're not like this. That's how you want to grab it. So thumb and index finger are the only things touching the flag. Palm is up like this, okay? So again, we are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, the flags are starting to transition off to get their song 2 flags, okay? So you guys are going to be getting behind props at different points. So I'll tell each group what they need to know, okay? So this next 6 counts. Well, right now, before I go any further, I have my notes here, don't mind me. So at this point, Carissa and Maddie, you guys are done. You're holding the next set. Okay, so the first 2 16s, by the time you get to this wrist break, you're wrist breaking, now you're behind the prop. So Carissa and Maddie, you guys are good for the first 2 16s. That's what you need to know. You're holding until we get to the next part. So you're holding. So Carissa and Maddie are holding the next 16. Everyone else has some work to do, okay? We're transitioning off. They got off first, okay? They were the closest. Okay? Now, everyone else, I'm making it easier on you. You're moving to the left. I'm going to have you face the left in a second. We're here. You bring it, you're here, you just did the wrist break. This is the next 16. 1, 2, the left hand is on top, and then your thumb slides down. Now the flag is stripped so that it's not distracting to the audience, because now it's the clarinet solo. The focus is on the clarinet solo. So you want to be very discreet. So it looks like this from the front. You just did the wrist break. Now the flag's gone. All I did was take my thumb and my index finger, I just slid it down. That's all I did. That's literally it. Okay, really easy, don't overthink it. It's all one motion too. It's all one motion because it's like this, up, strip. So don't think of it as I'm breaking my wrist, stop, pull it up. It's 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one motion. So the remaining people, strip, right? Strip your flag. 1, 2, turn, 3, turn, 4. Now you're actually turning on 3, 4 to your left. So you're facing the front. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the left now. Okay? And then your hand is funny, you're going to make it 5, 6. So that your thumb is up. So those first 6 counts, all the remaining people do. So Carissa and Maddie are off already. Everyone else has to do that. But after this count 6, Julie and Kendall are now off. So they're going to hold the rest of this 16, Julie and Kendall. Okay? So it leaves Abby, Amber, and Joe. Okay? So everybody did the first 2 16s. Carissa and Maddie, you just do the first 2 16s, then you hold. For Julie and Kendall, you do only 6 counts of work until you're behind a prop, then you hold the rest of the 16. We're still in the third set of 16. Okay? So Amber, Abby, and Joe, this is for you. Okay? You stripped. 5, 6. The audience is that way, because this is the left, this is the back field. So you're going to look at the audience with your arm. Now keep the left arm, it's going to touch your upper thigh. Keep it there. Okay? Because if you move it, the flag's going to move, and you don't want that. You want it to be like really tight to your body. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're here. You're going to look at the audience. 7, 8, back to the left. So this is what the audience sees. If you're the audience, this is what they see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's an arm. It's like basically you go to your shoulder, you go off to the audience, sweep, and I'm back to where I am. So again, we're here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And at this point, Abby, you should be off. So do this 10. You should be by the prop by now. You should be behind it. You should be good. Okay? So then this next part is for Amber and Joe, which is what we went over today, right? So we're here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Abby's out. She's done for the rest of the 16. And then it's very important. So I'm going to do it this way so you can watch. Step 11, step 12, 13, 14. That's that jump. And try to propel yourself forward. Step 15, step 16. So at this point, Amber is behind the prop. So just Joe is left. Okay, that was the third 16. So again, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You want to, like I said, propel yourself forward. But still have your legs in the air. We'll go over that more, but at this point, Amber, you're off. Okay? So we're still at 3/16. Everyone else that was off is still holding. Right? If you're off, you're still holding. Then Joe, I'll just still face this way, even though this is the left technically. You're just going to go over the left shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the audience. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. You're out the prop now. And that's a little tricky, but you know, we'll get there. Okay? So, all of this stuff, once you strip, everyone's facing the left. I know I'm turning, but I'm showing you different angles. If that's the audience, you're facing the left for all of that. Like your body is. You might look that way, but your body is going left. It's just easier. Okay? So Joe, it looks like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's just Joe only. Okay? Now, this is this 16, right? This is the fourth 16. So this is Joe's 16, I like to call it, because that's the only person doing work, right? A little mini solo for Joe. But everyone else, this whole time, is getting ready, right? You're switching your equipment, you're getting ready, you're coming out stripped. Okay, so Joe does all this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then everybody comes out from behind the prop, 13, 14, 15, 16, with your new flag. The only person that is not coming out yet is Abby, because there's 3 people behind a prop and there's not enough space. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this looks like that. Everyone's, like I said, everyone's starting to come out. I mean, we'll work the logistics of it in drill, whatever. But whatever. Basically, everyone's starting to come out. At least get out from behind the prop. You don't even have to move forward. Just get out. So we're on the fourth 16. So anybody that was holding this whole time, okay, this is the fourth 16. You're coming out 13, 14, 15, 16. We'll see in drill, right? Whatever. So now, everyone should be coming out of this next set. It's a 12 and an 8, okay? And we're moving forward. Okay? I know all these 16s are confusing. Just if I told you what work to do, just do that, okay? We'll work the logistics. Everyone's going to be coming out. Practice this, please, going forward. Strip, shoulder, hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do this step and turn and propel yourself. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's just you're pushing yourself off your right leg. So it's step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, push 5. The leg goes 5, 6, 7, 8. You're still moving forward, and then the last 4 counts of that are going to be a move over your head. It's going to be 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. You're still moving forward. I just don't feel like demonstrating the marching part, but you're still, this is a push 12 and a hold 8, just so you know. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, dip, dip the pole, circle back. Up, dip the silk, dip the pole, circle back. Up, dip, so you bring it to the left, behind your head, then bring the silk to the right, so that the pole goes behind your head, bring the silk to the left in front of you, and to the right. So it goes up, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, back at an angle. Okay? So you're here for 12. Then you're going to do a turn over the right shoulder. Holding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point your toe. So it looks like this fast. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push off. 5, 6, 7. Hold count 8. So again, you're here, you push up, up, down, angle, over the right shoulder, and then turn over your left shoulder. Hold. So all together, you come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The counts are slower, but I don't feel like taking the time. Then it's here. So this is one motion, right? 9, 10, 11, 12, and up. That's where the flag's on. 1, 2, 3, point 4, point 4. Push. 5, 6, 7, 8 on your toes. 5, 6, 7, holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Okay? Now, we're almost done. The next part is 4 sets of 8, and they're ripples. So this is 4 sets of ripples. So you must pay attention to what I'm going to tell you. So everyone's doing the same ripple, like the same choreography, but certain people are going at certain times. You have to pay attention to this, okay? So the work is easy, but the ripples you have to pay attention to. Okay? So we're here. First set of 8. They're all 4 count ripples. So in the first set of 8, the first people to go are going to be Joe, Abby, Maddie, and Carissa. You 4 are the first ones to go. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's kind of like almost a full fan. It's just you bring it up and then you just stop it. Okay? And it's a little tricky with opening your silk because it gets caught. So you don't want to open it early, but as you push you want to push the flag like faster than you open the silk, so that it doesn't get tangled. That's just practice, okay? So everyone's stripped. So the first group that I said, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody else, and for this group, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, 8. The other group is the opposite. So the other group is going to be Amber, Julie, and Kendall. You're the other group. You guys are going to hold 2, 3, 4 in the strip. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I forgot to mention, please do an arm with that, everybody. So it's 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First group goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then holds. Second group holds, then goes. Okay? It's a 4 count move. Okay, everyone's here. We just did the first 8 of ripple. Second 8 of ripple is over the head. Same group. Same people are going to go first and then second. So again, that first group is Joe, Abby, Maddie, and Carissa. You guys on the second set of 8 are going to go with an arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kendall, Julie, and Joe. No, Kendall, Julie, and oh goodness. And Amber, sorry. Kendall, Julie, Amber. You hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The finger twirl, we do this in the show early. We do this in song 1. Right? We have it like this. We go Da 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 da. It's the same thing, and we're just holding it differently. So it's between these two fingers, it just rotates up and down on my belly button. Okay, so that's 2 sets. So group 1 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, 8. Group 2, hold 2, 3, 4, go on 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 2 things. We got 2 moves. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I need the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The arm. Okay. 2 more 8s. The groups are changing now, so you got to pay attention. The next set. This is the first group. The next set, the first group is going to be Joe, Amber, Abby, and then Julie. So now you guys are the first group for this 8. You're going to go like this. So the people I just said, you're here, your right hand is under, you're going to turn to the right, to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Row 2, turn 2. Row 2, so again, row behind you like this, and then turn. I don't want to row and then down, I want it row behind you so that the silk is here. Turn to the front. Right shoulder, left shoulder. Okay. So that first group, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, 8. The second group, which is Carissa, Kendall, and Maddie, you guys hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 more 8 to go and then we're done. Okay? Now this is going to be another ripple, and there's 3 different groups, and now it's different people. The first group, pay attention please, the first group is Joe and Carissa, then it's Amber and Kendall, then it's Abby, Maddie, and Julie. So again, Joe and Carissa is group 1, Amber and Kendall is group 2, Abby, Julie, Maddie, group 3. So, okay, the last group, so with 8 counts left, we're here. So the first group is going to go 1, 2, hold 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go down with 8, okay? Second group, hold 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the third group, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and everybody goes on 7, 8 together, okay? So when you're here, 2 counts, then 2 counts, and 2 counts, and then you come up 7, 8. We do the squatting position because you're going to shoot back up for the hold, okay? For the big hit. So those are 4 sets of 8 for ripple. It's very important that you pay attention to who I indicated went where because it's all based on drill. So if you have any questions about your drill counts, ask me, but I think everything was covered in the video, or I mean your ripple counts, everything should be covered in the video. That's it for Song 2 Part 1. This is the first half of Song 2, and we'll learn the second half next week. All right.